Hello, Jem Ayres here, sex coach and xological bodyworker, and I want to talk to you about my self-pleasure workshop for women and people with vulvas. And this is a perfect practice of self-love, especially for Valentine's Day. So really tuning in to what's good for our bodies. And I'll be teaching how some self-touch practices, basically some techniques on self-touch, but also with involving some breath and some real conscious awareness of what's going on in our body, because we never want to push ourselves too far. Quite often the patterns and the habits out there around sex and even in self-touch are kind of a goal-orientated approach, which is fine. But actually, what happens if we take the foot off the gas and kind of come to a plateau place through a regulated nervous system approach to pleasure, instead of the tension, high intensity build-up that quite often can occur when we're striving for the goal? So we'll be guiding into some like self-regulating breath so that we can hopefully find some relaxed arousal. And there will be practices, and then I'll be guiding you into it, and you won't need to be on screen for that bit at all. You'll just have my voice and some music in the background, and it will just be a practice of self-devotion, self-love, and learning something new about yourself. And then we come back at the end just in a circle just to share about what we've learnt about ourselves. And it's always a very powerful space. They're not to be underestimated, these practices. So yes, do come and join us. Mwah. Ciao, ciao.